Hey there, welcome back to another video. Recently, I volunteered to design a lighting and room design for an installation as a part of an arts festival showcasing the talents of a bunch of avid young filmmakers and technical theatre students. Trust me, it's way more exciting than it sounds. I will show you my journey in getting the installation to happen and give you a tour of the final product. My role also consisted of managing where things were going to be placed in the space and also making sure that the space was COVID safe. This will be a mini series of videos where each one will be a different day in a vlog style format. The final video will be a tour of the installation and all my hard work. Alrighty, let's get started.